Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create automatic discount, right? So to do this, first of all, you have to go to the discount section, which is on the left side. Go and click on create discount here. Now, as you can see here, you can choose any one of them depending upon the functionalities, right? So for example, I will choose this one, right? Amount of product. And once I choose here, you will get this option of automatic discount. Make sure you turn this on. Now everything, whatever you want to change, it will be exactly be the same in the discount code section also, and in the automatic discount section also. Here you have to just write the title, right? For example, this is a 50% off, or 70% or 30%, whatever. And the percentage of the off here, for example, I want to put this as a 40%. And if you want to apply it on a specific product, you can select here the amount and everything, right? And you can start as well as set a end date of your sale or of your discount. Once everything is done, make sure you click on save, and this is how you can do it. So this is very important to select automatic discount. Other than this, everything is same. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.